Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your data to Google Drive step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. Sign in to your Google account if prompted. Once you are on the Google Drive homepage, locate the New button on the left side of the screen. Click on the New button to reveal a drop-down menu. Select File Upload if you want to upload individual files. A File Explorer window will open. Browse to the location of the file you wish to upload. Select the file and click Open. Your file will begin uploading. You'll see a progress bar in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once the upload is complete, your file will appear in your Google Drive. To upload multiple files, click the New button again. This time, select Folder Upload to upload entire folders. A File Explorer window will open once again. Navigate to the folder you want to upload and select it. Click Upload. Similar to before, a progress bar will indicate the upload status. Once completed, the entire folder will appear in your Google Drive. If you're using the Google Drive app on your mobile device, open the app. Tap the plus button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Select Upload from the options presented. Choose whether to upload files or photos. Browse your device and select the files you want to upload. Tap Upload to begin the process. You can check the upload progress in the app. Once the upload is finished, you will see your files in Google Drive. For added convenience, consider organizing your files into folders. To create a new folder, click the New button again and select Folder. Name your folder and click Create. Alternatively, right-click on a file, select Move to, and choose your folder. To ensure your important files are safe, regularly back them up on Google Drive. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.